Hey guys, welcome to Becodewala. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a beautiful card using Bootstrap. So, in this, I will go to my VS Code and I will remove this and I will change the title card. So, here I have linked my CSS file. Here is my boot.js file, and after doing this, for this beautiful card, I copy this code and I'll paste it in my VS Code in body tag, and I'll save it and I'll go see. Here is the card. Here the image is not showing, so because we have not linked our image, so for linking our image I will go to the my pictures. I will copy this picture bg3 and I'll paste it. See, I have pasted my image here. You can see bg3.jpg. Here is the image source. I see, when I will save it, it will show a image. See, you can see here, when I linked my image, it is showing my image. You can see here. You can change the card title also, like food card. See, it is changed, and you can change the below text also. Here I am learning Bootstrap by Becodewala. So here I have changed my text also. Here is the B for bold. Here it is showing the bold text, and here is the can change the button text also. Follow us. So when I save it, it also follow us. So like that you can make card using Bootstrap. So if you will scroll down, it will see the different type of cards still given, and you can use in your website. See, when you will scroll down, you will see different type of cards given here. Like that you can use and see. So I am going to use this one more, and I'll paste it in my body tag, and I'll save it, and I'll go see. There are 3 more cards that I have copied this one. So like that you can copy the code and I can use it in your website. So this how we made our card using Bootstrap. Hope you guys like the video, subscribe the channel and don't forget to share.